Ministers yesterday rejected a compromise plan for Royal Mail to be turned into a not-for-profit company instead of part privatising it. Unions supported the compromise plan and have called on the government to rethink its decision. We're out today in central London to find out the public's view on the plans and what a privatised service would mean to them.
I'd prefer to be a not-for-profit company, to be honest, because sometimes I feel that when you go into a post office, what you find is they're trying to give you a hard sell, and I sometimes think that you don't always have your best interests at heart.
I think it would only go worse. I think things that they have privatised hasn't exactly sort of endeared privatisation to people. I like the Royal Mail, I like my mail delivered regularly to my door, and the post office services I think are vital, particularly in the sort of place I live. And I can see them going with privatisation. If they don't make money, I feel that would be the end of them.
Privatising the post office perhaps makes a better quality for the post office because it's privately run, it's run by someone, so they're looking after their business interests and the interests of the customer.
I'm pretty sure it would bump up the price, so we'd pay more money for the service.
I don't think privatisation is always the answer, but looking at the way my mail delivery works, anything could be better. At the moment, there's a lot of problems in the training of the post delivery people, and I think whichever way we could resolve that, whether it's privatisation or not, is the answer.
Well, I think you could expect a better service if it's a private company that's doing something for financial gain or for commercial reasons. You'd expect a better degree of service.
I don't support the government's view. I don't think the workers in the post office support the government's view. It's clear that their own MPs don't support the government's view. It's not quite clear who they're representing. The public in this country want a public service, Royal Mail, and that's the way it should remain.
I actually agree with the actual unions on this. To privatise, particularly at this time, all it's going to lead to is further job cuts, worsening service, and everything that we've seen in terms of other utilities like gas, like electricity, like all those other companies that have used to be in the public hands, and it just amounts to selling off the family silver.
We can see from today that people seem to be confused about the two different plans for the post office. The unions have an important job to raise awareness and get the public on side to save their Royal Mail.